The 2011 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lamps, trip computer, heated front seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.